Hey guys, it's me, Quintin Marcell, and we are right back at it with another video. So today we're gonna do this disco moment. This green, emerald, sparkly eye, matte-ish face, and glossy lip. You know, my signature nude. I love me a good glossy nude. If y'all wanna see how I get this look, let's watch the video. Alright, and this is the final look. Yeah, I love this so much. This isn't so far off than from my usual, but I did add some bottom lashes. I never do that. This feels very uncomfortable for me. I didn't really fill in the brows very much. I just did little hair like strokes. My normal gloss. The skin is very matte for me. I don't know what it is about when I'm filming. I feel like I need to pile it on. So I'm gonna figure that out. If y'all like this video, go ahead and give me a hearty thumbs up. Comment down below. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.